Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Messaholic, and to another video of mine. Well, I'm not a content creator, I'm not a social media influencer, and certainly I'm not that someone who is very much active on this channel. Well, if you guys don't know or if you guys are already aware, I started this channel 7 years back with an intent to, experiment with all kind of videos and become famous. But yeah, जब अपन young होते हैं and थोड़ा सा पागल होते हैं एंड लगता है कि अरे भाई ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा, वी विल ऑल्सो हैव फैंस एंड हमारा वीडियो तो एकदम हिट हो जाएगा. बट ऐसा होता नहीं है बिकॉज दैट एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्स हार्ड वर्क, जो मैंने किया नहीं इस चैनल पे. बट स्टिल आई एम स्टिल पैशनेट अबाउट क्रिएटिंग वीडियोज, आई एम स्टिल पैशनेट अबाउट क्रिएटिंग कॉन्टेंट एंड आई लव टू एडिट वीडियोज एंड आई लव टू इंस्पायर पीपल. So I thought, okay, why not give it a shot of storytelling and sharing personal experiences which can inspire you guys. And guess what? I'm doing the same in my real life. I'm a trainer, I'm a public speaker, and I was into a lot of stuffs in the past, but I have become a public speaker and I thought of why not making videos on storytelling. And today story is all about my personal experience, and I hope and I believe कि ये story जो लोग भी सुनेंगे या जिस लोगों तक भी पहुंचेगा, they might get inspired in some or the other way and might get motivated to wear the hijab, because this video is all about my hijab journey. Before I dive into the video, just a quick intro. My name is Afreen Naz and I reside in Bangalore and I work as a trainer, finance analyst, and I have done a lot of things in my past. I was a vlogger, skater, dancer, I was a teacher, I was into event management and so many other stuffs. And that is what stopped me from wearing the hijab from a very long time, because since the age of 15 I started working. I have done a lot of odd jobs. I did a lot of things, like I explored a lot of areas when it comes to dancing, sports and all those stuffs. And that was something which nahi ho paya hijab, because I always used to think that if I take up hijab, this will restrict me from doing certain things. Like I can't dance, I can't do this, I can't go out with friends, I can't go clubbing. And that's what let me postpone the idea of wearing hijab from a very long time. So from the last 5 years I have this thought of taking up hijab, and I couldn't, only because of these diversions. Because जब आपके पास बहुत सारे friends होते हो and आपके पास बहुत सारे diversions होते हैं life में, आप बहुत ज़्यादा crazy और adventurous और अभी के time में वो YOLO concept में जीते हो, तो it is very difficult to be spiritual and follow the religion. How was my life before hijab? I have done a lot of things. I have enjoyed my life to the fullest, which I really regret now. And it was something which gave me a lot of memory, a lot of experiences, but it never made me happy at the end of the day. So life before hijab was quite good from the outside, but if I talk about internal peace, nothing was there. Moving ahead to the inner shift. Well, the inner shift that happens within you, which tells you that okay, this is right, this is wrong, and this needs to be done, this changes to be implemented in your life, that doesn't happen overnight. And that requires a lot of struggle, hard work, that requires a lot of whispers in your mind, a lot of uncomfortability, a lot of disturbance and anxiousness that something is missing in my life. And one day you realize that okay, this is something which I need to do, this is something which I'm obligated to do, and you finally do it. And that's when the inner shift happens and that inner peace comes within you. Now to talk about the first day when I wore it. So it was a casual day. I had to go to office and I was not ready to take up to wear the hijab that day, but I don't know, something happened. I woke up and I thought, okay, from now onwards I'm not going to show my head, I have to cover it up. So I ransacked my entire wardrobe. I found one black scarf and I thought of tying that up, and maybe I would do my hijab shopping later on. And I did it and I came to office and people observed me, saw me, and they were like, oh, what happened to this girl? I mean, इसको क्या हो गया, ये तो इतनी ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली है, इतने सारे चीज़ करती है, सडनली से इसको क्या हो गया, क्या भूत सवार हो गया, ये क्या सिर पे बांध के आ गई है. एंड देयर वर सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस दैट केम अप. पीपल ask weird questions like, am I oppressed, depressed, or someone has forced me, what's the use of covering the head, what is wrong with you, you were always liberal, you were friendly, frank, what is this? I mean, so many questions, and it was odd, but then I answered it well, and people started accepting me with time. I mean, first day they were awkward, second day they asked me a lot of questions, and they kept asking me going forward, and then finally after after a week's time they started accepting me, and I have noticed that they started respecting me more, which really made me very happy. Now talking about the reactions of the people, well, when you change into something you were not before, there will be a lot of questions coming in, especially from your non-Muslim friend, and that's fine. I mean, those reactions are quite obvious. You need to deal with it. You need to let people accept you the way you have accepted yourself in hijab, and trust me, things would go great. And it's not something people dislike. It is something people do really appreciate and see you as an inspiration. Now, what hijab means to me today is, it's not just a piece of cloth, but it's a reminder that I have faith in me. I am a believer, and I still have this chance of improving myself. So I have taken this first step of wearing hijab and improving myself. Likewise, I can, follow similar steps, follow certain things which can make me a better person spiritually, religiously. So yeah, that's what my hijab journey was. It started from doubt, anxiousness, worriness, underconfidence, and it is now something I'm proud of. And let me know if you have the same experience. And trust me, if you implement these changes in your life, if you become closer to Allah, and that is what is needed. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll definitely come back with another storytelling video again in order to motivate you, inspire you in some way. Thank you, and stay tuned.